With the new Michigan fee schedule and new attendant care law taking effect on July 1 of 2021, I'm getting a lot of questions from people about, is there a grandfather clause for the new Michigan no-fault law? And the answer right now is no, there is not. Unfortunately, the law was very sloppily drafted, pushed through the House and Senate in one afternoon. No one really read it. And unfortunately, what that means is there is no specific provision anywhere in the law that says whether or not it will apply retroactively. Now, that has created quite a bit of confusion. And unfortunately, what I'm saying as an auto accident attorney is there are a number of insurance companies in Michigan that are really trying to take advantage of this ambiguity, this lack of whether or not there is a grandfather clause in the law, to basically tell people they're going to stop paying attendant care, even for people who were catastrophically injured way before the new law was enacted, and say that it applies retroactively. And the same with the fee schedule. Now, I can tell you, while no one can predict the future and we don't have a crystal ball, Michigan law is pretty clear that unless the legislature drafts language that says it will apply retroactively, that new laws are only supposed to apply prospectively from the date it was enacted into the future, which would mean that there is a grandfather savings provision for all these people before the new law went into effect. But again, just because that's right doesn't mean that's what the insurance companies want to do. And I have a feeling we're going to see this being contested and heavily litigated in the courts in the next couple of years. I've written a whole blog about whether there is a grandfather clause that applies to the Michigan no-fault law, and a really in-depth analysis of the case law and a new Michigan Supreme Court case that really should be right on point to provide guidance to lower courts on whether or not the new no-fault law is grandfathered or not. So I hope this helps. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Thank you.